For more than 30 years, the King Center for the Performing Arts has been a cultural cornerstone providing Brevard County residents with a diverse array of outstanding programming. The offerings, which include concerts, Broadway touring shows, classical artists, ballet and contemporary dance, family-oriented events, and children's theater, have all served the King Center's mission statement: to improve the quality of life for all residents of Brevard County through cultural, educational, recreational, and community arts programs by providing access to high-quality, challenging, and diverse touring and local performing arts events. Now it's time for the King Center to pause for some much-needed repairs.
The building's over 30 years old, and it's about time we start doing something to modernize many areas of it. One main aspect is the air conditioning system. The piping is rusting, it's a lot of holes, and I'm expecting a disaster one of these days when I come in the back door.
In order to avoid a catastrophic breakdown, a $1.7 million renovation project will replace the portions of the HVAC that serve the main stage and the auditorium, the two most important areas of the facility. In addition to the HVAC renovation, the King Center will also receive a $1.9 million architectural and design upgrade.
I believe that this is the first major renovation that the King Center will be undertaking. For example, we're going to be completely redoing the entranceway, the lobby, this crown room arrangement here.
As they park the car and walk up to the building, they'll see a complete redesign of the front facade of what we call the portico, the drop-off area. We're looking at having a new security foyer. It will be brought outside of the building, which will give us more space on the inside.
What that enables us to do is refresh the whole lobby. We're going to make one section for the bar and refreshments where you can line up. Opens up our whole entry area for socializing and gathering and mixing with your friends and family.
We are going to be remodeling the Crown Club area too, so we're going to put all new flooring and wall coverings and ceilings, and we're just going to bring it up to date, and that will take most of the summer from June 1st through the end of October. We'll be doing limited shows in the King Center. We're going to preserve our famous Classic Albums Live performances series for the summer. We're close to selling out each and every one of those shows, so this is the only place that we could do those.
In November of 2019, the King Center for the Performing Arts will open its 32nd season of outstanding programming for the residents of Brevard County and all of Central Florida. Support the renovation of the King Center and help ensure our future. To donate, visit kingcenter.com.